Hello, bonjour! Ever find yourself staring at those art supplies you once bought with excitement, but now are collecting dust? Maybe life got in the way and now they're sitting unused. Sound familiar? I've been there too. But I have something for you that will change that. I'm excited to introduce my new course, Wildlife Party. For 30 days, we'll be diving into wildlife art, and I will help you use all those supplies you already have. The goal is not only to fill a sketchbook to make art, but to rediscover those art supplies, learn new techniques, and help you shape your art voice. Now, let's talk about how the course is made. Wildlife Party is designed to keep you engaged and motivated every single day. You will receive a new lesson every day, featuring a different wild animal and a different medium or a different technique. Each lesson is made for mixed media, including gouache, watercolor, brush pens, oil pastels, and more. And don't worry if you don't have everything I use in the course. I will always give you alternatives so you're able to use what you have and not buy anything new. Even if it's fun to buy new art supplies, but that's for another story. The idea is to help you experiment, to try new techniques, new medium, and to find what you like and what you don't like. And maybe, who knows, fall in love with a new medium. Now, I know that trying new techniques or new medium can be intimidating, especially if you're a beginner, and this is why all my lessons are recorded full-time, fully narrated. I explain everything I do. I think out loud so you understand how to determine which medium to use for each photo, for each style you want to achieve. And I always show my palette when I'm painting, because this way you don't have to guess which color I'm using. So we have 27 recorded lessons in the course, and don't worry if you are not able to do them in 1 month, because once you enter the course you will get them forever and you can go at your own pace. But if you follow along during September 2024, we will also have 3 live painting sessions. And this is my favorite part of the course. This is where we gather as a community, where we can paint together. You can ask questions, get feedback, get answers, and make sure that you are not stuck in your art journey. And on top of that, we have a private community where you can share your art, make friends, make connections, and know that you are not alone in this art journey, and that it should be fun all along the way. During the course, not only we will use different mediums and different techniques, but also different art styles. So at the end of the course, you'll be able to know which one you prefer, you're more comfortable with, being semi-realistic, cute, or stylized. And we'll use a lot of different mediums. I want to show you some of them, but not all of them, because I don't want to spoil everything if you're taking the course. I want you to have a bit of a surprise when you receive your daily lesson. So here are some: brush pen, acrylic markers, oil pastels, ink, gouache. Of course, I had to include gouache, which is my favorite medium. But maybe it's not yours and you'll be more comfortable with acrylic markers or crayons maybe. When I designed this course, I had several goals in mind. I will let you determine which one is your favorite. One of them is to use your forgotten art supplies, also to learn new techniques, to make connections with artists like you, to shape your art style, to stay motivated, to fill a sketchbook, and the most important for me, to have fun. Because art has to be fun. It should be fun. It is fun. And I know that one of the biggest struggles you can have is to stay consistent. This is why I release a new lesson every day to keep you motivated and to keep you engaged. And also, I know that life can come in the middle, so there is no pressure. You just do the lessons at your own pace, because this is how you will have fun, progress, improve all at once. Is daily, maybe it's a bit ambitious, but making art on a regular basis, I know everyone keeps saying that, but this is so true, so important. And this course is really here to help you do that. And I will take your hand for the month and help you find your artistic voice. So if you're ready to dust off those art supplies and embark on a creative adventure, let me be your guide. The link to sign up is in the description under the video. I can't wait to see you there. And the course is beginning on September 1st, 2024. And if you watch this later on, you can still join the course and get all the excitement about 30 lessons, but you will just miss the live sessions. Finding your art voice is all about discovering what you like, what you don't like, and mastering new techniques. And when you combine what you like and what you can achieve, you will get your art style. Because it's already in you, you just have to shape it and let it go. Did I say that before? Yes, in this video.